Hello, I'm going to show you how to hack Bad Piggies, and so it will unlock the full version and give you unlimited sandbox parts. This is completely safe. There's no APK packs, there's no extra things, there's no hard work. It's super easy. So first thing you need to do is click the link in the description. So that should take you here. So first, install the 1.2 version. Click download. Okay, once that's done, open it, click run, and install the game. Finish. And don't play the game yet. Now press start, go to computer, click downloads, make sure the installer file is in your downloads. Now go to your desktop folder and right click this and click open file location. Click Bad Piggies data. First, delete level 0. And now go to level 14 and rename it level 0. Perfect. And now close this, open the game. I have a problem of clicking my mouse, banging on the table, it's so annoying. Anyway, open the game. And it should take you here. So click unlimited sandbox parts, click unlock all sandboxes, click unlock field of dreams, click unlock PC full, click sandbox all star boxes, click main menu, and then close. Okay, now go back to the link and install the 1.3 version. Download it. Okay, once it's installed, open it and install the game. Next, install. If I would give you the hacked game, but I don't know how to do that, so the best I could was to show you how to do it yourself. And now it should, see, the game is fully unlocked. There's no key you have to type in. It gives you all the stars in Sandbox. They're all open except this one and this one. And Field of Dreams. I was playing earlier, so I had some stuff loaded. Look at this. As many pigs as you want. Well, as many pigs as there are grids. But I don't know how to change that. So, a lot of pigs, a lot of eggs, a lot of king pigs, and it adds 100 items to everything. So, I hope you enjoyed.